So now I'm working on my third tag, and I call it the butterfly girl. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down to the tag board, and then I think I'm going to use the purple crystal to add to the flower. Once I do that, then I'll go ahead and start layering the other pieces. So let me go ahead and get that done, and then I'll be right back. So I've gone ahead and added the vellum pieces, which is the birds and the mushrooms, and some wired antennas that I made. And now I just need to add the flowers and then the doll, and I'll show you what she looks like. I added some gears. Go ahead and put it right down here. I'll just go ahead and glue down the flower and the butterfly girl. Everything down. She's all done. I want to thank you for watching my videos. Leave a comment, subscribe, like. And I hope I see you on the fourth one, which is the Halloween one. Thanks for watching. Stay crafty, be safe. Until the next one, so is Creative Corner saying bye for now.